Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best inverted umbrellas that are available on the market.
I made this list based on my personal research, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have a MAGO double-layer inverted umbrella. The system of reverse umbrella could be easily folded and unfolded in an inverted fashion. This enables the user to step on a car or a tent wherever needed. This makes sure the water does not drip over the floor or inside the car. For use in different outdoor activities, its excellent UV protection feature helps a lot. Through its unique self-standing design, there are no doubts to place it on the floor. It is possible to operate a cell phone in a hands-free fashion. It comprises of double pongee fabric with a view to blocking. It comes with the anti-ultraviolet UPF greater than 50+ effect to protect the user inside. Moving on at number 4, we have mrtloa double-layer inverted umbrella. Compact structure and the innovative designs remove the hassles most people usually face while using an umbrella. Through the reverse opening and folding design, the entire umbrella's structure would open and close in a reverse manner. So, there will be no concerns while getting inside or outside a car. It is possible to hold this mrtloa umbrella with your wrist through its C-shape hand grip. Hence, you could free your hands to operate your cell phone, do shopping, carry the baby, etc. Manufacturing process is done using the pongee cloth that protects the user against UV rays, rain, powerful wind gust, etc. At number 3, we have owenkind windproof double-layer folding inverted umbrella. The sole specialty of this windproof inverted umbrella is the use of durable material. There is the use of waterproof and lightweight pongee fabric in its construction. With the assistance of decent quality stainless steel frame, perforated double-layer canopy and smooth top, the body of this folding umbrella is made firm. A powerful gust of wind will not damage this umbrella. Inside this folding umbrella, the 8 steel balls of the frame are converted into 8 legs upon constricting the umbrella. Hence, it allows the umbrella structure to stand up on its own. Hands-free use is facilitated through the free grip frosted handle. Simply cross the C-shaped handle across your arm to carry other activities while holding it. At number 2, we have sparsaw double-layer inverted umbrella. Noteworthy aspects regarding the design of this sparsaw umbrella is its double-layer structure and reverse opening and folding mechanism. Based on your convenience, the users could fold the top damp layer inside the inner dry layer while you get into car, tent or store. This would avoid water dripping concerns. It comes with the comfortable frosted C-shaped handle to present hands-free use for shopping, holding a child or any other activities. Its smooth top comes with 8 stainless steel ribs of the frame, so this double layer could stand up on its own while close. And finally at number 1. Sharpt inverted umbrella. Prepared with the newest inverted design, this elegantly designed windproof umbrella is made inverted in structure. This facilitates the users with the potential to shut from the inside out while you walk across the room or open the door. Generally, there would be no water dripping concerns even after heavy rain. The greatest performance against heavy rain is presented through its windproof and weather resistance feature. It could withstand maximum wind speeds of approximately 60 miles per hour. Its ergonomic C-shaped handle lets you walk comfortably in a hands-free style for attending calls, holding babies, carrying shopping bags, etc.
Thanks for watching. I hope like this video. If this was helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this product, you can comment down below. I will back to you as soon as I can.